Delhi elections nearing, it is raining poll stops in the capital. Today was the turn of the BJP to unveil its Sankalp Patra or poll manifesto for the capital. BJP Chief Union Minister JP Nadda announced a slew of promises for the citizens of Delhi. The big focus is now on women.
The voters in Delhi have a tough decision to make. They have 3 baskets of freebies to choose from, with the BJP, AAP and Congress competitively raising their offers. The BJP released its manifesto on Friday, listing what it would do if voted to power in the assembly elections. Their offer includes 21,000 rupees and 6 nutrition kits to every pregnant woman, 2,500 rupees per month to women from poor families, free treatment up to 5 lakh rupees under Ayushman Bharat, additional free treatment up to 5 lakh rupees by state government, free treatment up to 10 lakh rupees to all senior citizens, increase in senior citizen pension from 2,000 to 2,500 rupees per month, cooking gas at 500 rupees per cylinder to women from poor families, 1 cylinder free on Holi and Deepavali. AAP, the ruling party in Delhi, dismissed the BJP's manifesto, describing it as an imitation of Kejriwal's Delhi model.
JP नड्डा जी ने अपना संकल्प पत्र जारी किया, जिसमें कई सारी रेवड़ियों का ऐलान किया उन्होंने। क्या इन रेवड़ियों को बांटने के लिए उन्होंने प्रधानमंत्री जी से अप्रूवल ले ली है? अभी तक मोदी जी ने जब कहा कि फ्री की रेवड़ी सही नहीं है, मोदी जी कहें कि मैंने गलत बोला था, केजरीवाल सही था।
The Aam Aadmi Party, which has already announced many offers including 2,100 rupees per month to women from poor families and free medical treatment for senior citizens, upped their list of freebies. They have promised free bus rides to students and 50% discount in metro fare for students. Party chief Arvind Kejriwal also wrote to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, urging the central government to waive off another 50% from metro fare for students to make travel totally free for them. Meanwhile, the Congress, which too had made similar promises, explained why its offer of free power is better than the one made by its rivals.
300 यूनिट बिजली फ्री, ये मैं थोड़ा आपको और समझाना चाहता हूं। 301 जब हो जाती तो मतलब नहीं कि आपको 301 का बिल देना पड़ेगा, वो 1 से फिर गिना जाएगा। वो 1 यूनिट जो आप 300 से ऊपर खपत होती है आपके घर में, उसका बिल आपको आएगा। जो आज योजना चल रही है वैसी योजना नहीं होगी। ये योजना फिर एक धोखा है आप सबके साथ।
The long list of freebies mean whoever comes to power in Delhi will face the tough task of managing the national capital's finances. For now, though, that will be the last thing playing on their mind. With Aishwarya Paliwal, Bureau Report, India Today.